This is Jo Karen Hudson speaking. I'm going to be working with you today on section 14.4. This is on the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem says that if in a right triangle with legs A and B and hypotenuse C, then A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now a right triangle looks like this. It has one right angle, one 90-degree angle. The hypotenuse is always C, and the other legs are A and B, and it doesn't matter which one is the longer leg or which one is the shorter leg. You'll just call them A and B. Find the length of the missing side. Example 1. The legs of a right triangle are 12 and 5. What is the length of the hypotenuse? All right, let's draw this and see what it looks like. The legs of the right triangle. Okay, I didn't draw a very good triangle. Here's my right angle. The legs are 12, so we'll say A is 12. It doesn't matter which one you call A and which one you call B. And B is 5. It is the hypotenuse C that we are looking for. So I'm going to copy down my formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. And I know that A is 12, so I'll have 12 squared plus B squared, so I have 5 squared, is equal to C squared. 12 squared is 144, plus 5 squared is 25, is equal to C squared. 144 plus 25 is equal to 169, is equal to C squared. So C is equal to the square root of 169. Now, I only want the positive square root of 169. I might want to use my calculator for the square root of 169. Remember how you use the calculator. Second square root of 169, and that is equal to 13. And I'm going to grab it over here and so that you'll remember about using the calculator. It says rounded off to the nearest tenth, but this one came out even. It came out C is equal to 13. You could put C is equal to 13.0 or just C is equal to 13 will be fine there. Example 2, the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 10, so the hypotenuse is equal to 10, and the length of the shorter leg is 3. That's where the equal mark goes. Let's draw it. The hypotenuse, which is C, is 10. The shorter leg is 3. I'm going to call the shorter leg A this time. The shorter leg is 3. We're looking for the longer leg. That's the one we're looking for. So we'll have A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So we'll have 3 squared plus B squared is equal to 10 squared. Or we'll have 9 plus B squared is equal to 100. Now I will need to get the B squared by itself, so I'll subtract 9 from both sides, and I'll have B squared is equal to 91. So now I have B is equal to the square root of 91. I only want the positive square root. I want to round this off to the nearest tenth because it asked me to round it off to the nearest tenth. Second square root of, well, I'm on the wrong screen. Second quit if you get on that screen. Second square root of 91. Okay, and we want to round this off to the nearest tenth. If we want to round this off to the nearest tenth, here's the tenths place. We'll go one digit to the right, so we'll have 9.5 because this is less than 5, so we just lop it off. 9.5, was it in inches? It didn't even have dimensions on it. This is section 14.4. You'll need to do the homework on section 14.4 and the quiz on section 14.4. This is Jo Karen Hudson. Thank you and have a wonderful day.